Okay, dears, today we're gonna talk about that how we can uh, full display our own installed Kali Linux. If you search on other sites, then you will find different ways and different things. It will be not good for you, okay? Uh, because uh, you're doing some works and they're just drawing for works for money. And just to be with me, and then you will know everything that how could be full display in a common Linux, and subscribe my channel because you should know or you should find new videos. For that why you subscribe and like this video. Okay, we came to work station, and we'll stay still at work. When installing Kali Linux, I think the best Kali Linux is 2016, and you should know that which is good. Okay, uh, VMware is good than VirtualBox because it's easy to install, and it's in just some simple steps. Okay, brothers, we will start and you, yeah, never full screen your Kali Linux from this, okay, because it will be just wide this corners, then it will not work. Okay, we will stay that still it works. Okay, call Linux scam, and then we should their username as root, and the password as password should give. It's not, yeah. No, will stay. Okay, still it's working. I gotta say about Kali Linux application. You can it have about 306 notes, and it's not easy to learn. But that's why when I'm uploading videos, watch this and learn Kali Linux day by day with me. As always, they're going to VirtualBox, and they're working in terminal, and they're working in files. Just for making video, they're good and they're real. But I'm gonna say that, and I'm gonna show the easiest ways which shows applications. Then came to not the second, the third, that this tweak flow and setting. And this came to display. Look at that, the display is now. And then came to their resolution. When you install your own Kali Linux, it's in 800 and 600, and come to the last fly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and to watch no more videos.